guys, so if you are more into Facebook and Instagram thing, I suggest that you use Creator Studio. Okay, reason is Creator Studio will allow you to autopilot all of your content regardless of what type of content it is. Okay, so anyway, to cut this story, I'm gonna teach you the basic of Creator Studio. Without further ado, let's begin, guys. 1, 2, 3. So Facebook is really smart on this. So they restricted other social media platforms to autopilot a content that is not a photo. So if you want, or if you are publishing content in Instagram that are video types, carousel, stories, IGTV, then you cannot autopilot that one in other social media planner unless you use a push notification. But we want to make things automated. We want to make things autopilot. So the social media scheduler would not be a good fit if you are more focused on Instagram. So I would recommend to use a Creator Studio. Okay, so in Creator Studio, you can autopilot video, carousel, stories, and IGTV. Okay, but we will still use Content Studio because it has a UTM parameters. We want to use it on social media accounts that will allow us to put a link so we can track all the links that coming from our website. So our Facebook is still Content Studio, LinkedIn and Twitter is still Content Studio. If you are interested in that, I have a tutorial on the link description below. So feel free to check that out if you are curious what is Content Studio all about. But in this video, we will just focus on scheduling content in Instagrams, okay? So how you can schedule. First is go to the business.facebook.com Creator Studio, okay? So if you type in that one, you will be redirected to the page. You need to log in if your Facebook account is not a login, so you need to log in your Facebook account there to connect to the Creators Content Studio, okay? So once you log into Creators Content Studio, this is the two options for you. You can schedule posts in Facebook or schedule posts in Instagram. So let's just click Instagram. We want to focus on Instagram. And then go to the Instagram accounts. Make sure that your Instagram account is connected to the Content Studio. If you haven't seen any accounts in this area, simply click this Add Instagram Account. You will see this pop up in here and you will be asked to connect your Instagram account, okay? Your Instagram account will not be connected unless you are using a business version or a business setup. So if your account is a personal, you need to switch that into a business mode. Okay, that is free, so you just need to go to the settings and then switch it on the on to business mode. Okay, let me know if you want me to do a tutorial on that. So I cannot add this one because this is a personal account. So you need to make sure it is a business account. But we will use this as an example. Okay. Let's say, for example, I'm going to schedule a video. So just simply click the Create New Instagram feed, and then you need to choose what Instagram you want to schedule. Let's say this one, and then let's say I'm going to schedule a video. I'm going to schedule a video version. Okay, the video version, and then in these options, you will kind of put the details. So let's say, let me try to grab. So let me try to grab the details in here. And then copy this one, and then this one, and this one. And there is a 3 steps. So post info, you can put your blurb and add location if you want to. You also have options to post it in Facebook as well. So aside from Instagram, you can post it on Facebook. So simply just tick this one. But as I said, we want to use Content Studio on all of our socials except for the Instagram. Okay, so uncheck that one. And then for the cover, you can add a personalized cover. So click this one, and then I would choose this, or you can choose a frame. Okay, you can choose a frame, which part you want it to be in cover. Okay, next is the advanced setting. You have an options to allow a comments or disable a comments on Instagram, and tag a person. If this is a collaboration thing, then you can just tag a person or a business page into your Instagram account. Okay. Now, once your video is completed, you will see this part, which means like uploaded videos, or it is already 100%. So once it's already completed, simply click the scheduled. By the way, if you are having this problem, like every time you upload a videos, it always says network connection or 0%. I was having this kind of problem lately, and I was able to fix that one. So if you are having that kind of problem, then just check my other video version for the fixed, how did I able to fix this thing. Okay, so click the scheduled and then click the, let's say I'm going to schedule it in here. So in this part, you'll see here that the time zone is in Asia. So the time zone will base on your profile on Facebook. Now this fan page is, this Instagram account is based in California, but as you can see here, the time zone is in Asia because I am living in Asia and my Facebook profile is based on Asia. That's why you can see this one. So let's say I'm gonna set that into 001 a.m. because that's 9 a.m. in California, and then just hit schedule. Okay. So to see all of your scheduled posts, simply go to the content library and go in here. So you can see here, like, if you select the all, you can see all of the posts, whether it is a published version, an archived, or a draft, or a scheduled. So if you want to specify scheduled status, then simply click the scheduled, and then you can also filter them if you don't want to see all the posts. So you can select video, photo. We don't have scheduled posts for photo, carousel, stories, and IGTVs. Okay. So that's how it works. So if you want, let's say I want to change the blurb. So simply click this edit thing in here to change the blurb of your text. But you cannot do any changes on the video contents. You cannot change the cover photo or the frame. Yeah, you cannot change it. You cannot change the video. The workaround you can do is just delete this post and reschedule it. So you need to be really careful of that. And the advanced settings, again, you can delete that. You can change these fields. So let's click save and schedule. Now let's say if, you entirely want to change the content type on this video, then just click delete and then reschedule it again. By the way, again, if you are having problem on the content library, let's say you already scheduled the post, but you cannot see the content you have scheduled, just check my video below as well. So I have a solution on that, because before I was also having problem, like I cannot see all of my scheduled posts in here. I was having two problems earlier. So I cannot upload videos, actually not just videos, but all of them, even photos and carousel. I cannot upload videos. It's just always saying network connection, or the upload thing is always 0.0%. So I think this is the most common problem on Facebook Creator Studio, especially if they are living on like me. I live in Asia, and this fan page is from California. So I think that's the reason why I am having problem with the upload in Facebook Creator Studio. But yeah, I was able to fix that one. If you are having that kind of problem, then check my other video below, because I will show you how to fix that. Okay, so now let's dive into the insights. So the insights here, you can see like the audience, like how many website visits, the audience type as well here. So that's really how it is. And for the collab as well, in here, if you want to run a campaigns or hire an influencer to promote your fan page, then this is something you can also take advantage. So aside from hiring an influencer, you can also be a collaborator if you want to. So that's it, guys, in these options as well. Raise an event manager. We will not talk of that one, but basically this is how the Content Creator Studio works. For the IG story, let's say this one, okay, select this one. You need to really follow the guideline when in terms of video requirements. If we select this one, so these are like the guidelines when you are uploading of videos. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned on this video. And by the way, if you are interested running an ads on your Facebook, I have a video tutorial for you guys. It's a fundamentals of Facebook ads. I'm going to teach you like what is a events and how you can work on the Facebook Business Manager. It's more into understanding the jargon words inside the Facebook Business Manager portal.